Good morning, America. mKelson here today at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon on this beautiful day to present to you this pre-owned 36Y Winnebago Vista. And this is a beautiful coach. I want to show you the amenities inside. It's been kind of, I don't know, personal touches have been put in this coach. It's kind of interesting. Let's go inside and look. Coming inside, you'll see a beautiful color palette in here. You do have good visuals here with the windows. Somebody's put a theater seating in here that can be, you can put whatever you wanted to in there, it'd be okay. Coming over here, you do have the table and chairs. So there's 4 chairs and the table pulls out. Behind it, you do have the televator that comes up. So that you can watch your TV in the evening. Very cool. It also has a bed up top for extra passengers that come with you. Very cool. Winnebago quality. Nice cabinetry. Everything's built into the steel and behind that wall right there. When it's a Winnebago, nice little touches here. They put little globes on those. Coming back here to the kitchen, Whirlpool refrigerator. You're kind of cordoned off here, so it's very safe. Stainless steel sink, dual sink, and then of course your Moen faucet. Look at this little thing right here. That's a little garbage can right there. So put your garbage down there, comes out right there. Pretty cool. Winnebago always has great storage. So there's a little pantry area. Microwave convection, plus it does have the full stove in this coach. But you can cook back here. Kids can be running around, dogs, and nobody's going to run into you while you're messing with the stove. That's pretty cool. Look at those little lights. Oh, look at this right here. Put your keys in there, all your valuables. Kind of unique. Just a nice little touch. Coming back here, they put these little drawers in here to put your shoes or something when you come in. Coming here to the back. First we'll go back in here. You're going to have a king bed, and this is one of those Tempur-Pedic mattresses, but you have a lot of storage over here. You have a little drop-down TV up here, so you can watch TV at night. Nice window back here. Kind of a groovy headboard, if you will, right there. All kinds of stuff. Coming over here, you come into the bathroom, corner shower, commode. This is going to have the washer dryer Splendid combo in it. And I like this because you got 2 avenues in this bathroom, so you can escape right here when you need to. So you come on out this way and shut the door. Now you're coming up front here. This is a 2015 model, so it's going to have a 362 horsepower Ford V10 in it. That was the last year of that particular motor, I believe, and then they went to the 320 horsepower after that. But you have electronic levelers. You've got the CD player. I imagine it's a DVD also. The backup camera, side cameras, and everything right at the touch of a fingertip. This is kind of a neat little thing right here. Just pull out for maps or acts as a TV tray, whatever you need. It also has the auxiliary fans up above right there. Let's go outside and see what it has to offer outside. So as you can see, the color on the outside is very pleasing. Kind of a cream and white color, so it's very nice. Full body paint on this coach, so you're not going to lose any of the luster throughout the years. You have a TV on the outside right here. So you pull that out, folds down, goes away real nicely. But you also have storage under here for whatever you need there. Automatic awning up top, beautiful. Slide toppers on the slides, so to protect the top of those slides. You're going to have a lot of storage in this coach. And there is your Onan generator, it's 5500. I believe this is a little barbecue port, if I'm not mistaken. There we go. So that you can do some cooking outside if you want to while you're watching TV, kind of have a tailgating party out here. There's your ladder right there. You get up on the top, take a look at your roof seals and your air conditioners and all that stuff. You do have the camera, the backup camera right there. Your tow hitch down below, that's going to be a 5,000-pound tow hitch right there. Water heater. Right here's your electric bay and water bay, so it's a 50 amp service in this coach. You do have an outdoor shower. You do have a fresh water inlet and all the valves and everything right there to control all that. Boy, I'll tell you what, look at all this storage in this thing. Winnebago never skimps on that storage. It goes up and over to the other side. Of course, there's your propane. You're on 22.5 tires. Here are the side cameras that are integrated into the mirror. So if this coach is of interest to you, or any of the coaches we have here, please feel free to give me a call. mKelson, 541-285-8791, or the BISH'S number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching today.